We are walking to the office today because the Uber was too expensive and I am spending way too much money. Gotta do what we gotta do, save a little bit of money, get a new little action cam. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to record today. I think on the way to the office we're gonna stop and get some coffee, maybe at Big Shoulders, get warmed up a little bit. I just wanna give a little fit check too, because today is our holiday party. It's called the Leo Burnett Breakfast, and it's been going on for over 90 years. This day is a legendary day in the advertising industry. I'm gonna get some stuff on the Metas. We're rocking the Metas today. I've got another hat that I got before from the same company, August 11 Co. It's long coat season as well. Trying to get to the office as fast as possible because it is cold, baby. Can you see my breath? Woo, freezing, but I got gloves. I didn't put them on yet. All right, so we got the long coat. We got the August 11 Co. hat. We got the Metas on. And we've got the Reigns little tote bag that we're gonna bring. That's our little camera bag for today. Hey Meta, record. So I'm recording with the Metas right now. I wanna give you guys some more of that footage. I love these things because even in this dark, gloomy day right now, they're still transitioning. So these glasses are amazing, but they're not as dark, I think, as they would be on a sunny day, as far as from what I see, my point of view. They're still clear, and they have a little bit of tint to it right now, but I can still see everything very clearly. They take beautiful pictures. The only thing I noticed, though, too, is that when you wear a hat, it does capture, like, the curved part of the hat. So you might see that in some of my footage as well. It's because the cap is curved over the left side. You know how the brim goes over. So the camera is actually on the left side only. And then this right here, the light on the right side, is just to indicate that it is recording. I do like that it's white and not red. That looks less creepy and less subtle. People might just be like, oh, what's that? They might not even notice it, to be honest. It's very subtle, I think. But this thing takes amazing pictures. Hopefully I'm getting that train right now. I must say, also vlogging in the bitter cold actually makes me think less about how cold it is too. So I know it might be loud. I don't have any mics going on right now with me, so this is all kind of bare bones. We're going 4K, 30 frames per second, 4:3 aspect ratio, and we're on rock steady. We're at a negative 0.3 exposure value, and then we're at auto ISO, but I do have a manual shutter speed at 120 right now. So we're gonna head into Big Shoulders, grab a coffee, because the rest of the day it's gonna be water and some libations. So we've got our Big Shoulders coffee. I put the main camera away, but I wanted you guys to get this point of view so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So I don't know if you see my hat brim curved right here, but I like it. I think you guys will like these too if you get them. We got Big Shoulders. We got a lavender latte today, hot. I'm keeping the lid off right now because I wanted to show you guys the nice little foam. They make it look so easy. I think a bird almost shit on me. Almost into my coffee. All right. We are on the iPhone now because I've got too much stuff going on. I'm trying to go into my bag here and into the pocket. So I will check it with you guys throughout the day. But we've got the coffee and we are we're ready to have a good time. All right, guys, we're here at the House of Blues. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, thank you.
got the fame on. King of the beach, you ride to him in your fleet. The real rolling on dubs. How you feel? Whoop-de-whoop.
All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed that content right there. We just got done at our work anniversary. It was so fun. I don't think I stopped dancing the whole time, but we are here at the venue just waiting for our Uber right now, and it is 4:06, so hopefully I get this vlog out. But I had a great time, probably more fun than I thought I was gonna have today, just because of the couple weeks that it's been so busy. But here we are. You can see the Sears Tower. Yes, I call it the Sears Tower in the distance there. Oh man, do I look okay? I just want to say I'm waiting for my Uber right now. It's 2 minutes away. Merlin, I'm waiting for you. Thank you guys. Vlogmas has been fun so far. I'm hoping to get this out tonight before midnight. I'm not tired, but I'm danced out. I had an amazing time, man. I danced, oh my gosh. I just love dancing. I love music, and that's it. So, love you guys. Hope you had a good time watching. Hope you're enjoying your Vlogmas and everything leading up to the new year and the holidays. So that's it. I just want to say bye. Love you. Stay human, as always, right? Stay human. Peace.